99.8% of DGS students are multilingual, and oftentimes they use these languages in a variety of ways. At DGS, students often communicate with each other in multiple languages, allowing for greater inclusivity in our community. Reporting for the Blueprint News Network, this is Saara Raheja.
Junior Xavier Aguilera is a PE leader who speaks both English and Spanish. Aguilera translates instructions from his teachers into Spanish for students who don't speak English.
I first started helping another classmate during freshman year PE. I remember he didn't speak any English at all since he came from Mexico, so I had to translate for him. Although I was only a student assisting another student, the teacher was very thankful for my help translating. But one good thing I learned from translating is how helpful I can be to Spanish speakers since they don't always understand English. I can help them be calm, understand, as well as show them how to do things asked from teachers.
Sophomores Sofia Tisock and Victoria Sabaluskis are native Lithuanian speakers. Both are in speech and use Lithuanian to communicate with each other as duet partners.
I feel like it's obviously a huge part of my life. I speak it every day when I go home, and I also I love being able to talk about my culture and being able to talk about the things that I do connected to my culture. And I feel like it's a huge part of my identity, in a sense.
Yeah, I agree. I speak it at home every single day with my mom, and it almost allows me to make a lot of friends easily. I just know that if there's another Lithuanian speaking person, that we're basically immediately friends because of that connection.
Yeah, it's really easy to just kind of find it's a huge community in Illinois and in America, and it's really easy to find people who are Lithuanian, and it's also really easy to connect with them, and because you already share something in common. And there's a lot of outside of school stuff that I do regarding Lithuanian culture and speaking Lithuanian and stuff like that.
Can you talk about that?
Yeah, I'm in a Scouts group. It's called Lithuanian Scouts, and we do a camp every single year. It's about a week, or it's 10 days, and then we just basically we practice a lot of we practice a lot of traditions and Lithuanian, we eat Lithuanian food, we sing Lithuanian songs. It's really just a summer camp, but it's just you add in so much of that culture that you wouldn't get in a normal camp because it's geared towards Lithuanian culture and Lithuanian identity, and I love it so much. It's one of my favorite things to do every summer, and I can't imagine my life without the people that I go there with.
Yeah, I also used to do folk dancing until last year. It really allowed me to connect with my culture a lot through dance, through the arts. It was really fun. I got to go to these huge festivals, even in Lithuania, and perform on national TV in Lithuania, and yeah, just connecting through my culture through dance was a very cool experience, and I think everybody should be able to do that. Yeah.
And how do you think that you have used your multilingual skills to foster a greater sense of community or bridge language gaps between people?
I think kind of how we said earlier, it's you already immediately have something in common. If you know a Lithuanian person, you can already connect with them on a basis and form your friendship or your relationship on that foundation. And I think it's just a really strong, already it's a really strong built-in community. And I think, honestly, I've never met someone who is Lithuanian who doesn't do something outside of school or outside of their home life regarding their culture. And I think that's also partly why our culture is very strong and connected, is because it's such a normal thing for us to do something regarding it, like dance. There's choirs, there's scouts, there's so many things that just is us. It just makes up our lives.
Yeah, I really agree. Some of my closest friends, in high school, have been because I'm Lithuanian. I've spoken Lithuanian to them, around them, and they come up to me and we're immediately friends from that. And I think that's such a cool part of the community where you can just hear somebody and you're immediately have something in common, and you're immediately friends, essentially, and like some of my like closest relationships have come from that.
Great. Is that everything? Is there anything else you want to
Yes.
say? Great, thanks.
This is Saara Rahejo with the Blueprint News Network.